Hey singers, struggling with a tense tongue when singing notes? Well, let's loosen up and do this quick exercise, which has just been a game changer for me. It is such a game changer for really just getting that clarity and comfort in the voice. All right, so it might look a little bit weird, but you're gonna stick your tongue out just like this. Now we're gonna slowly work through the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and we're gonna do this together a few times, so join in with me. Your tongue's probably going to want to go back in when you're doing the exercise, but I'm going to use my silicone oven glove to really help keep my tongue out. If you have one, go and grab it now, and let's continue on. Keep that tongue out, stick that tongue out. So make sure that you're really exaggerating those mouth shapes. This isn't just a facial workout, it's really going to help your tongue relax and improve your articulation. So why are we doing this? Well, a tense tongue can really sabotage your sound. Trust me, I know all too well, and it can really make singing a struggle, but this exercise has massively helped me, which is why I'm sharing it with you. But by stretching and moving your tongue with these vowel shapes, we're really telling it to just take a chill pill. It's like telling your tongue to take a chill pill. And plus this really makes your tongue more adaptable to those tricky lyrics and rapid vocal runs as well. That's it for the exercise. So incorporate it into your daily singing routine. Just 2 minutes a day. It can really just reduce that pesky tongue tension, and the results, it's going to make your transition smoother, your notes clearer, and you're going to have less strain in your voice. So it's a triple win. So give it a shot and let me know how it goes. Do you notice a difference in your voice after doing this exercise? Share your experiences below, and yeah, if you liked this video, if you vibed with it, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well to stay up to date with our latest videos. And yeah, you can get my Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play, and there's a whole bunch of challenges, vocal training and vocal workouts on my app for free. So get it today, and until next time, I will see you soon. Peace.